Hi guys, it's been a while. You can see the date I'm uploading this video and see the current news we are seeing worldwide. Crazy times we're living on. Nothing new. 6 years ago, 5 years ago, you were also living in crazy times. I'm not here to discuss. It's disgusting the news basically. I'm not here to discuss the news. I'm here to share technology solutions legally. How can we transfer our wealth, and especially people that are already in the cryptocurrency space. This will be very good tool to use. So basically, was develop a platform that now is being tested and also audit. It's going to be open source, so those people that are more techy, they can even the people that can read code, they can check themselves the code. So what this platform will do basically, it's allow you to, in a secret way, or I'm gonna use technical terms, it's end-to-end encrypted, fully end-to-end encrypted, zero knowledge proof. It's not server side, because if something is encrypted in a server, but you can somehow have a key to the crypt, so if the database is hacked by hackers, or if local government, because a company needs to be registered in a country, right? If the local government or foreign government asks to that local government where the company is registered to collaborate, the company needs to give the database about their customers. Otherwise, they'll shut down the company, and the CEO will go to prison. We are here to do anything illegal, everything completely legal. So basically, what happens is the platform I'm speaking about, that I will share about the next videos. You can have this possibility that on your client side, on your web browser, you can have, like in a traditional cryptocurrency wallet, you have a seed phrase. In our system, it's called the recovery key. Basically, it's 12 words. You need to write them down in a piece of paper, not electronically, or you can save it on your web browser, and basically it will allow you to create a message, a title, a body. Title can be up to 100 words, the body of the message can be up to 2000 words. You can upload even a video, several extensions you can use, .mov, MOV, MP4, QuickTime, so up to 7 minutes, if I'm not wrong, 120 megabytes, and even you can upload a file, zip, rar, docx, PowerPoint, whatever. The several formats are allowed, up to 100 megabytes, just one. And basically you can write some recipients, some emails, that it's, like I said, completely encrypted. We don't know, company doesn't know, database can be hacked, governments can ask for collaboration. We give the database, everything is ciphertext. Basically, it's 0 and 1s. You can see nothing. It's like cryptocurrencies work. It's completely encrypted. Client side, not server side. Only thing we can see, it's the email that you sign up. You have an email. You can use, for example, a Proton Mail. It's also encrypted. Basically, it's the same technology as Proton Mail uses. Fully encrypted. Client side, not server side. And why this is important? Because if you, for example, live in a country that now, with this new regulation, SCARF, crypto asset reporting framework, if you notice in your centralized exchanges, you receive emails already, for sure. Now they track every proof of funds, where the transaction is coming from, where it's going to. It's basically a centralized exchange. Now it's like a normal bank. They want to track everything. Also, not all, but banks, they use so CARF is more for crypto centralized exchange, and they have also CRS, So Common Report CRS. It's stands for Common Reporting Standard, I think. So the banks, they already do this for a lot of years. So if you have a bank account in a different country that then you don't reside, the government where you reside can ask for that foreign bank to give you all the transactions or all the balance you have in your bank account. And if you have millions in foreign banks and you don't report them to where your country or your tax authority does match, then you have a problem. So that's why I say we do everything legally. So why this platform can help you? Because before, if you have a hardware wallet, cold storage, no one knows, right? It's in a hardware wallet. But we're seeing, for example, looks like North Korea, this story, but South Korea. So Korean people, they like, South Korean people, they like, to have a lot of crypto assets, and their national tax authority, I think it's like that, it's called National NTA, and National Tax Authority, something like that. So basically what they are doing, it's, lately they are going to people's house, they do a search, seizure, if they think they are suspecting that you are hiding funds. This looks like a little, crazy, but that's the truth. That's happening. Just Google it if you don't know about this. Also, maybe you say, "Oh, I live in a free country. That will never happen." Well, if you study history, 1933, Franklin D. Roosevelt, United States, by a presidential directive order or whatever they call it, 6102, just Google it. Yeah, they forbidden their citizens to have gold. They needed to give their gold back. And even was not just long time ago, it was legal to own precious metals like gold and silver in the US just after 1974. So it's not like long time ago, and we see what's happening with people that don't like wars, but governments, they really like wars. They need all the money they can extract from their populations to finance these wars. And what it's happening, it's basically the governments, they going to debt, and we have now even crazy amounts of debt on the trillions. So certain countries. But my point is, like I said, it's to provide solutions legally. How can you transfer wealth? How can you transfer, if he's not wealthy, you want to transfer. If you want just to transfer a message, if you're not around. So this platform, the advantage is that allows you to create an email, like I said, attach maybe a map of the treasure where you put your treasure, hide your treasure forever to whoever it's important in your life. So basically this platform will have a system that it's like I said, it's now being final tested and auditing. It's open source. We'll have the code to you can the guys that are more techy can read code, can even check the code. But basically you can so send a message in case you're not around here anymore. So it will you need to mark yourself as safe basically through email. You have open a link, you can set everything yourself every 30 days, every 60, 90, 180, 365 days every year. You mark yourself as safe, so this encrypted, this secret message is not released to your recipients. That you put, you can write up to 100 messages. Every message can have up to, I think, 100 recipients, and they will receive an email with a message key with a big code. It's like a private key if he was comparing this system to the crypto system. Basically this technology, it's based on cryptocurrencies, encryption, nothing new. But I don't know about any company doing this. And then later on, if you don't mark yourself as safe, the encrypted email will be sent, and the user or the recipient needs to open the email with that previous key. If they doesn't have the key, no one can see the message. So basically, it's how it works, this system. Also, someone can ask, oh, but a system like that, maybe it's a lot of money, it's very expensive. No, it costs less than you're already spending in coffee or some beers or some cigarettes if you smoke. This will be very, very accessible to everyone, and the advantage is if you also want to share this with your friends and your family members. This is not like network marketing or multi-level marketing, but this as an affiliate system that allows you to share your link. Basically, it's the website / and then your user that you define yourself, and someone register with that user, and you receive half of the subscription. We'll have a subscription monthly based, also annual base with a 20% discount, and also a lifetime payment, and you can have it forever, the service. So this is very interesting, this platform, and also I will share more information about this, how it will work, because like I said, if cold storage, hardware wallets nowadays, it's not as safe as before to have the seed phrases in several safe boxes everywhere in the world, because if someone can collect all the seed phrases from everywhere in the world, all the safe deposit boxes, they can have access to your funds. I'm not saying that you should use this platform to encrypt those seed phrases, but for example, you can have those seed phrases into a hardware wallet. You hide the hardware wallet somewhere, and you just send, when you're not here anymore, the PIN to unlock the hardware wallet, and then the user, the person that you send that information, will just move the funds to somewhere else, and then it's their responsibility. So here it's a legal solution that provides you a way to deliver a secure, confidential, secret message. It's like saying to someone, here is the map of the treasure, but you just open when I'm not here anymore. So how can you control to that person, respect that will from you? Digitally, you can basically do it. You can call it even this digital will if you want. When you don't mark yourself as safe, every 30 or 60 or 90 or another 80 or 365 days, you can set this configuration yourself. And also there is a grace period that after you don't mark yourself, you can also, after 30 or 60, 90, 180, 250, 365 days, so 1 year later, this message will be released to your recipients, and then it will they will or that person will be able to know what was your final message or your final will, if you want. Of course, this could be useful for crypto people. If you're not into crypto, well, you can say where did you hide all your gold or silver coins, because gold and silver now it's skyrocketing the prices, or you just want to send the last final message. I don't know, up to you. Yeah, so I think this is a very good system. Like I said, I'm not aware of anyone in the world have this service, at least this way, completely encrypted and confidential, and no one can, besides you that control the keys, reveal or have access to your secrets. Not even the servers where this information is storage. Everything is completely fully encrypted. No one can see it. No hackers if the database is hacked. No governments if they ask for to comply. They can do nothing because we can see nothing. Just you that, as like you in a cryptocurrency system using Bitcoin or Ethereum, just you with the codes can transfer the funds, no one else. So here it's exactly the same. Only the person that can create the message has the codes to have access to edit, to change the message, or delete, whatever, or change the recipients, or the person that will receive the message will receive a first email with the code. Then later, if the release email with the message, encrypted message itself, if the person doesn't have the first email saved, if for some reason deleted, it doesn't have that code anymore, that message will not be decryptable. You can't have access at all. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, this is only to share a first information about this, and on the next new videos on when this platform is completely working, I will share more information about it. So wish you all the best and stay safe.